In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply filters to Google Meet. Filters can add a fun and personalized touch to your meetings, making them more engaging and enjoyable. Whether you're jumping into a quick catch-up session with colleagues or a long-awaited catch-up with friends, these filters can make your video calls more vibrant. Let's dive in and see how you can easily apply these visual effects. To get started, you can apply face filters on Google Meet either before you join a meeting or during the meeting itself. It's quite simple to do and only takes a few moments, so don't worry if you're a little pressed for time. First, you'll need to join or start a meeting on Google Meet. Once you're in the meeting, all the options you need will be right at your fingertips. Look towards the bottom of your screen and you'll notice a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is commonly referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open a list of additional options that you can use to enhance your meeting experience. From here, you want to select the option that says Apply Visual Effects. This is where the fun starts. After selecting Apply Visual Effects, you'll see a panel open on the right side of your screen. Here, you're presented with a variety of filter categories that you can choose from. Take your time to navigate through these options and select the filter that best fits your mood or the nature of your meeting. Whether you're looking for something professional, quirky, or just plain fun, there's likely a filter that meets your needs. And perhaps you've picked a filter but suddenly decide you'd like to go back to your natural look. Fear not. You can remove filters at any point during a call. Just revisit the same section where you applied the filters and you'll find the option to turn them off. To recap, applying filters is a fun and straightforward way to keep your Google Meet sessions lively and less monotonous. Simply join or start a meeting, click the 3 dots at the bottom of your screen, select Apply Visual Effects, and choose a filter from the categories on the right side of your screen. Removing them is just as easy whenever you want a change. There you have it, a simple way to add some flair to your video calls. So go ahead, try it out, and bring a little more life to your virtual interactions. Remember, a little bit of creativity can go a long way in making your digital meetings memorable. Thanks for tuning in, and happy filtering.